Right, I'm back. And I'm back to share something dead exciting. Right, if you're like me, you'll be driving past people's houses that have got the new black dark grey windows and you've got white UPVC. And I always look at them and I keep asking Alec, like, can we have ours done? Because you can get them sprayed. Because our windows are perfectly fine, but I just want them in the grey black. So we've had a few quotes over the months, over the weeks actually. And it's quite a lot of money for something that you don't desperately need. So anyway, we've had a few quotes. Alec was like, no, not paying that. Anyway, cut long story short, I went to a family member's house and she's just had hers done. And the company that she's had was absolutely amazing, she said. Dead nice team of guys that has done it. And the reviews that they've got are absolutely fantastic. So I'm just going to show you a picture in a second of the before and after. But first, I'm going to tell you that I got them in to give us a quote. And Alex was there and I thought, he's not going to go with it. Now, they've got amazing 5-star reviews everywhere. So I went ahead anyway. I'm rambling here because I'm trying to get it all in to save you some more bloody money. Anyway, Alec was there when he gave us the quote and he just went, fuck it. For that price, we might as well have it done. We'd be daft not to. That's how much of a deal it was. Now, I didn't save £10 or £20 or 30 or 50, not even 100, way over that. Over £200 I've saved. Now, this is just by getting different quotes. And now the last quote I was really happy with, but Alec was like, no, it's a lot of money to have your windows sprayed. Well, it's not a lot of money, but it's coming up to Christmas and stuff, and I was really shocked when he told us how much he wanted. I just looked at Alex and he was like, we'd be daft to do it. So I'm getting excited. I'm going to have grey window. Well, I've gone for like a really dark near black PVC. So I can't show you mine yet, but I will show you this company because just get a quote if you wanted them done. Take your house from old to new without having to do anything. You don't even have to do anything yourself. You just get these guys in and they do it all for you. Let me just show you a family one. One sec. Right, this is before. You see that? Yeah, that's the before picture. Let me show you the after. How you can take your house into the next level by not having all that work done, but just by getting somebody out, giving it a quick update. And I am so excited to get mine done. I finally said, yeah, stay there. Look at this. Oh my effing God. Doesn't it look so much nicer? Just wait there. Right, this is who they are. Yep, you see all that? Honestly, I can't tell you how excited I am because I love saving money and this has been my best yet. So come back because I'm showing you my before and after of my house when it's done.